Welcome to the Small Cap Epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them, maybe find next rate small cap investment. It's Thursday, May the 10th. I got 4 press releases for you. A little scramble, China, U.S., Canada. I like that. First up, FieldPoint Petroleum trades on the AMEX FPP, announced a record quarter. This for the first quarter ended March 31st. Revenues came in up 90% to 3.26 mil. Net income up 108%, to about $783,000. Earnings per share, both basic and fully diluted, doubled from 5 cents a share to 10 cents a share. And daily production increased 84% to 422 barrels of oil equivalent per day. They closed yesterday $3.40, $6 on the high, $1.72 on the 52-week low. Next up, Feihe, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but F-E-I-H-E, Feihe International, ADY in New York. This is a Chinese company. They're a producer of a premium infant formula milk powder and soybean, rice and walnut products in China. They put out their first quarter 2012 numbers, pretty impressive. Other than revenue, which came at 63 mil, that's down about 4.5 mil from just over 67 last year. But gross profit increased to $34 million. That's up 39%. Gross margin was 54% in Q1 2012 versus 36% in Q1 2011. That tells me the company looks like it got rid of some low-margin business, which is why revenues are probably down, but you're seeing all the profit metrics up. Income from operations, $9.7 million versus $5 million. There you go, almost double over last year, and up significantly from a loss of $3.8 million sequentially. Same thing on the net income side, $8.3 million versus $4.7, and that's over last year, and that's up significantly from a loss of $10.5 million sequentially last quarter. Earnings per share came in at 40 cents versus 23 cents last year. That keeps my thesis that the company no doubt was focusing on higher margin sales, and that's up significantly from a loss of 31 cents per share in Q4 2011. Now, some extreme volatility there, so you may not want to jump into the company right now. That 40 cents per share looks pretty good considering the fact they closed at 587 yesterday. Even if you just have that number and nothing else for the rest of the year, now you're talking about a company about 14 times earnings. That's on one quarter. So keep an eye on it. It's a Chinese company. And if they've gone through their worst on their way back up, you want to be a part of it. Like I said, 587 closed, 222 is their low, $12 was the 52-week high. Moving over to the resources side, rare earth metals released their resource estimate. They trade on the venture exchange under RA, and for our friends in the U.S., RAREF, R-A-R-E-F. This is a 43101 compliant independent resource estimate for its Laverne Springer rare earth element deposit, which is located in the Springer Township in northwestern Ontario. Some of the highlights here: indicated 4.16 million tons, grading 1.14% trio total rare earth oxide. In the inferred side, 12.7 million tons, grading 1.17% trio. Neodymium content is 70% of the trio, 17% of the trio in the indicated category, and 15.5% in the inferred category. And finally, the company says that the resource remains open along multiple directions and to depth. Closed yesterday, 7 cents. 52-week low, 7 cents. 52-week high, 35 cents. So we're looking at some incredible potential values. You got to do your own due diligence. Market cap, just $6 million for rare earth metals. So you might want to go take a look at that. Eagle Hill Exploration, finally, TSX Venture, EAG. They say, quote, they continue to intersect near surface high-grade gold. The highlight hole here was 14.5 grams ton of gold over 9.7 meters. This is at their Windfall Lake gold deposit in the Abitibi gold belt of northern Quebec. The company says that the results, these are final assays from the now completed 25,000 meter drill program. The company says the results confirm the continued high-grade near-surface gold mineralization and expands the size of the zones that were not included in the mineral resource estimate published in November 2011. So go take a look at the numbers there, but I like what I'm hearing. The company says they're set to become an advanced stage gold exploration company with its acquisition of the Windfall Lake high-grade gold deposit. Closed yesterday 13 cents, 11.5 on the low, 23 cents on the 52-week high. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 4 great press releases for you. If you look for more great small cap resource news and you watch this on Globe Investor, Look below me or to the left of me to see the companies I've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.